In the 1990s, McDonald's had the most popular marketing game in the world, Monopoly. The rules were simple. Buy a Big Mac, get a game piece. Buy fries, get another. Peel the sticker. Maybe you won an instant free apple pie. But, just maybe, you could collect Boardwalk and Park Place and you would win $1 million. The country was obsessed. People went crazy for it. They bought mountains of fries. They bought extra large Cokes they never finished, just for one more piece. Families searched their car seats. Employees would dig through the trash. Everyone dreamed of finding that one magic ticket. There was only one problem. For 12 years, from 1989 to 2001, almost no one in America ever won the grand prizes. The public had no chance. The system was rigged. And the man pulling the strings wasn't a criminal mastermind. He was an ex-cop, the head of security at the company that printed the game pieces. His name was Jerome Jacobson, Uncle Jerry, and he was the gatekeeper. Jacobson's job was to be the eye in the sky. He personally flew the high-value instant winner pieces from the printing plant to the McDonald's factories in a locked briefcase. He was the one man they trusted. But Jacobson was unhappy. He felt underpaid and disrespected. He wanted to be the big shot. So, in 1989, he made a choice. He was in an airport bathroom checking the briefcase. He switched the winning piece with a non-winning one. A simple sleight of hand. He gave the $25,000 piece to his stepfather. Easy. He thought that was simple. So he did it again and again. But soon, his family ran out of people. He needed a network. He became a Don. He would sell the stolen winning pieces to recruiters. One was a man named Gennaro Jerry Colombo, a mob-connected, charismatic character. These recruiters would find fake winners. A friend, a cousin, a stranger at a gym. The recruiter would say, "Want to win $1 million? It's guaranteed. You just have to pay me $50,000 in cash up front." People paid. It was a great deal. They would be given the winning piece, they'd find it, go to McDonald's, act surprised, film a cheesy commercial, and collect their $1 million check. Then they pay Ickens and Screw. It was a perfect crime. For 12 years, Jacobson's network stole $24 million in prizes. The public kept buying fries and winning nothing. But they got greedy and sloppy. Jacobson's recruiters started finding winners, all living in the same small town. Or, worse, they were all related. They were leaving a trail. In 2001, the FBI received an anonymous tip. A phone call. The Monopoly game is rigged. The tip came from an angry recruiter who felt he was being cut out of the deal. He told the FBI everything. The FBI couldn't believe it. A monopoly fraud? They launched Operation Final Answer, named after Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. They started wiretaps. They listened as the fake winners panicked about what to wear and how to lie about where they found the piece. The FBI followed the winners. They analyzed the data. They found a bizarre number of winners, all connected to one man in Jacksonville, Florida. A man named Jerome Jacobson. In 2001, just as a new Monopoly game was starting, the FBI struck. They arrested 8 people in one day. The gatekeeper was caught. The game was over. McDonald's was horrified. Their biggest promotion was a sham. They were a victim in the fraud. The public was furious. The game they loved was a lie. Trust was shattered. McDonald's had to act fast. They publicly paid $10 million in a new giveaway to the public just to say, "We're sorry." It's a story about how a simple, fun game was broken by one untrustworthy man. A reminder that the biggest risk in any system is sometimes the person you trust the most. This McDonald's fraud shows a system broken by one person. But what happens when an entire country believes something absurd? That is the story of the tulip bubble. Click here to watch it now. And subscribe to MoneySketches for more simple finance sketches.